Hey everyone, it's Fariel here at Techmetric, and in this video, I am going to review our counter sales feature. The counter sales feature, also known as a parts-only ticket, should be used when a service writer needs to quickly sell some parts over the counter into a customer. So to create a counter sale, you're going to want to navigate to your job board and click this drop-down menu on the repair order button and select counter sale. This will create a counter sale, but you'll notice the counter sale is in the unsaved status because we have not committed any parts or added parts to this ticket. So to get some parts added, we are going to select the add button here or the one on the top right corner. They both function the same, and it will pull up your inventory modal where you can select some parts from your inventory to quickly sell over the counter. So I'm going to add a couple parts real quick, added here. And you can also add a discount if you'd like, or add any notes. These notes will be visible to your customer if you print out the invoice. And once I select save, you will now notice we have a counter sale number finally committed to this counter sale, and it is in progress. And this is because now we have some parts added to the ticket. You can add a job category if you would like, as well as a service writer. We do recommend adding these two if you do use our commission feature and would like to give commission to that service writer on any counter sales they sell. You can also add a customer profile if you would like your customer to be on this ticket. However, it is optional. This is not something required, just because most counter sales are quick and over the counter, and a lot of times the service writer does not want to get the customer information. If you do navigate away from your counter sale, you had to look at your job board or your tech board real quick, you can always get back to it by selecting the back button in your browser, or on the job board, this little active drop-down menu has your counter sales here, and the most recent one you were working on will be here at the very top. So this is the one we had just opened up. So I click into it, and now I am back in the counter sale. To go ahead and take a payment, you will select the payment button here and select the payment method. In this example, I'm just going to do cash payment real quick and take the payment. And then here we will quickly get updated when the payment succeeded, and this will automatically close the counter sale once it's paid. And you'll notice the counter sale is now marked as paid. Once the counter sale is marked as paid, you can then print, of course, the invoice if you'd like to give it to the customer, and the paid counter sale will now be part of your reports. So let's navigate to our reports real quick, and I'm going to show you the end of day report. You will notice that now you have a counter sale section here, and we've had this much dollar value in counter sales for the day. And we will also be tracking your part sales, since all your counter sale tickets are part tickets, in the part row under sales after discount and in your profit summary. And of course, we also will be tracking all your payments, including the ones that happen on your counter sales. One thing I want to highlight on your end of day report is your RO metrics, especially things around close ratio, average repair order, effective labor rate, and things like that will not be affected by your counter sales, because these are going to be focused on repair orders and vehicles that come into your shop rather than your parts only tickets. We want to make sure those tickets do not skew your average repair order. Other financial reports will include counter sale metrics such as sales detail, profit detail, sales by job category, custom financial, and even your parts usage report. If you have any questions on what numbers are affected, please navigate to our knowledge base article or contact our support team. To see all the counter sales you've sold in your shop, or if you need to look back at any of them, you can always go to this drop-down menu where it says counter sales. And here it's a consolidated list of all your counter sales. You can search your counter sales by your part name, part number. You can even filter by sale or refund and the status of the counter sales. The reason we have them all consolidated here from within this list is because not all your counter sales are going to have a customer associated with them. So this is just a good spot to make sure you have all your counter sales in here. And we even have sale dates and things like that. And you can even sort your list by the sale date, invoice number, or customer. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to go to our knowledge base. We will have an article on counter sales, or you can contact our support team. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day.